Hi, this video is to help you as an educator decide whether to introduce AcaWriter into your teaching. If you're also a PhD supervisor, you may want to point your doctoral researchers to this. As you've hopefully gathered from the website, students can now have instant feedback of a new kind on their drafts, 24/7. AcaWriter goes beyond the usual spelling, grammar, and plagiarism checking and focuses instead on the hallmarks of academic writing. Students can move beyond seeing someone else's examples of good and poor writing and see their own writing directly annotated. But since this is a new kind of tool, one that neither you nor your students will have used before, you may be wondering how to introduce it in a way that maximizes its benefits and minimizes the risks. Well, we've developed a method for working with educators, some of whom are in the videos on this site. And what's exciting is that once they tried AcaWriter, they all chose to continue using it. What's the key? Well, it must be made obvious to students why AcaWriter is relevant. Firstly, because it fits closely with the task you give them. The language and assessment criteria you use when describing good writing are all echoed and reinforced by AcaWriter. Secondly, the writing task you give them asks them to demonstrate that they have reflected on and acted on AcaWriter's feedback. Just to be clear, the polar opposite way to use AcaWriter would be to just mention that there's a new tool they can try out with no obvious connection to your assignment. All the research shows that it will be conveniently ignored. So, what we invite you to do is browse the teaching examples on this website to learn more about how your colleagues have embedded AcaWriter into effective writing improvement tasks. This makes very concrete how assignments, rubrics, and AcaWriter can be synchronized. You can also see the joint research papers that flow from our collaborations. We hope this excites you. If you're interested to know more, then please get in touch, and we look forward to welcoming you to the AcaWriter educator community.